How's it going, YouTube? No, come on, go up here and go to the bathroom. Hey, I just recorded a 9-minute video, but I was watching Jane Best and I left my earpiece in there, so I just recorded everything that he just said. So we're gonna try this again. The one thing that I always do is, you see, I took all the snow off the landing gear and off the brackets. All right, this is so that it does not fall, come out, and hit another car. All right, and another thing I do is, as you can tell, they're all clean. So let me just give you a little demonstration. Maxie, stay here. All right. Now I got this rag. All right. I just come down. That's all I do right here. All right. Now this does not take long to do. Okay. You go down one side because you have to check your trailer out anyways. And in the wintertime, it's really when I really do it. I mean, I do it in the summertime. I do it after it rains because of all the mud and stuff. But look at this. You see the difference? Because it looks so dingy. All right, and you also got blinkers, marker lights on the side. Look at that. That didn't take long. Okay. Now, I see trucks coming in. They're all dirty. You know, of course, you can't help it. It's wintertime. But if you're in the fuel aisle, it isn't going to take long while you're fueling your truck up to go around and check. Make sure you're all clean. All right. Now I'm going to show you the back of my trailer here in a second. I got to get going here pretty soon. All right. You also got marker lights right here. Boom. Done. See? Mine are all clean. See? Nice and clean. The ABS. Nope, I forgot one. All right. Let's give it a demonstration. Here it is. See how dirty these were? I don't know why I forgot one. Damn crackhead. All right. Now look at the back of my trailer too. Okay. My lights are clean. Reflectors are clean. License plate's clean. The light underneath is clean. And caution, wide right turn is clean. Why is it clean? Well, because why would I waste time cleaning that? Because this way, if you're making a right turn, some four-wheeler runs up along you and wants to turn right before you do, you got that warning them about your right-hand turn. And they can't say, well, I did not see it. All right? So this is what I do. I know other people don't do it. I know. But see, I'm getting myself prepared because if I take this much effort in a company trailer, there's Maxaroo. Hi, Maxaroo. What's Maxaroo doing? Hey, Maxaroo. What's Maxaroo doing? What are you looking for? You're being silly. You're showing off. Are you showing off? You stop showing off. Can't see him in the snow. He's freaking white. But anyway, so, look at the, boom. Just look at the difference in his reflectors and stuff. Get him, Maxie. Get him, buddy. Get him, little buddy. I think he's been watching Ducky too much. Huh, buddy? Yeah, so, I mean, just, it does not take much. See, you clean your lights off. And it doesn't take much to keep it clean. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm not brown nosing or anything like that. I'm not saying that. Oh boy, saying that people need to do it. Oh goodness, no. You're being silly now. Okay, silly. But like I said, this is just practice for me. So when I get my own trailer, I was taught this years ago by my grandfather, who said that your reflectors should be clean at all times. And what are you doing? And you should always make sure that you clean off your landing gear. All right. I got a hammer. I chopped it off. All right. So that way, when I hold on, buddy. Hold on. All right. Let me put you guys down here for a minute. Gotta help Maxie up. 1, 2. Oh, good jump, buddy. This way, when I get, like I said, when I get my own trailer, I've already got it. I've got it. I already know that it's like when you're cleaning it out. I am very OC about my trailers being dirty. I don't. JV idling too high. I don't like a dirty trailer. That's why I have 2 leaf blowers. One for little stuff, and then the other one for. Hold on, but I gotta put my phone up. Hurry up. And the other one for major stuff. Like I cleaned out a trailer that had scrap paper in it, and it's picked up at an OC, and it never got cleaned out. Whoop, sorry, bud. See my little hooks? Let me show you my little hooks. See that? My little hooks so that everything stays up. I don't have to worry about it. Bada boom, bada bing. What? Well, you don't want to get down, not me. All right. Well, we're not going to make this a long video. Don't get my window dirty. I just washed them windows. Oh, I tell you. So we're up here in Binghamton. Oh, look at my shorts are dirty. Oh, my goodness. Oh, your mother's going to kill me. Jeez. All right, now I'm dirty. So anyways, I'm up here in Binghamton, New York. Quilcon messed up. Again. Oh, my goodness. I don't know how. This makes the second time since this ELD got put on this that it's messed up. I'll drop a load and then it says that I need to do a trip for that day. So I don't know what to do. I sat just waiting for them to fix it. So by the time they got it fixed, it was, 8 o'clock last night, and I just said, this load doesn't pick up until 3, so I'm not going anywhere. There really is no reason to leave. There was. I had a load, but that was picking up in the same spot, going almost to the same place, but it was just delivering earlier and paying the same amount. Everything was all the same, everything. But then, you wake up, you go to do your pre-trip, and boom, it's done. It flags you. You can't do nothing. And I'm like, what is going on? So they tried yesterday, and I don't know. Just saying. No, just saying. I like the old system. That's all I'm saying. But anyways, so let me get out of here so we can head on down the road. It's more miles than what is dispatched, so I got to get going a little bit more. It's an extra hour and a half now. So, I got to, today and until tomorrow at midnight. I kind of wanted to get another load, but I don't think I'm going to be able to take that load if I can't get this over there and get it dropped in time to get a 10-hour break. Then I'm probably going to lose that next load. But hey, that's trucking. All right, we're not complaining. Don't feel sorry for me. It's fine. We'll be all right. But I just want to make this video, to show you guys, it doesn't take long to clean the side of the trailer off. All right. So, just make a little bit of an effort, it's, clean off those landing gear, it isn't going to take much. So anyways, like I said, follow your own dreams, not the competitions. Live your life for yourself, nobody else. And remember, anything's possible as long as you put your heart and mind to it. You can succeed at anything. So, if I don't talk to anybody, make sure you all have a nice Christmas and enjoy your time with your family. And we will talk to you guys after. Alrighty, later.